My dear brothers and sisters in Jesus Christ, the Pontifical Society for Propagation of Faith is making an appeal for mission through the instrumentality of the Catholic Mission in Australia. Pontifical Society for Propagation of Faith is a society of the Pope. It is pontifical, of the pontiff, of the Pope. And the propagation of faith is appealing to the world to continue the mission that Jesus has given to us. Providentially, we have the gospel passage where Jesus is continuing his mission. We see in the passage, Jesus is encountering a funeral procession, and the dead man was a young person, and this young person was the son of a widow. A widow in the Jewish society is most disadvantaged. A person who was poor, neglected, and no one was there to take care of her. The society despised her, and the person on whom she could lean on was her son, and this young son was dead. And Jesus looks at this woman, and the gospel says he felt sorry for her. He felt sorry for her. He had compassionate love towards her. Because of his compassionate love, he says, do not cry. He really feels for this woman. And therefore he says, I should do something for this woman. He first asks her, don't cry. I will do something for you. I want to help you. And then we see how he gives life to that young man and gives the young man to the mother back. Jesus, because he has compassionate love, through his compassionate love, he gives life to the young man. Today, dear brothers and sisters, Jesus is inviting us to have this compassionate love towards those who are in need. Those people who are in need are looking for life, and we are the ones who have to give life to those who are disadvantaged, those who are weaker sections of the people, those people who are in difficulty, through our compassionate love. And the church is inviting us to be missionaries of extending this compassionate love to the world. The Vatican II, in its document Ad Gentes number 2, says the Pilgrim Church is a missionary by her very nature. The church is a missionary by her very existence. Church is church if it is on missions. That is what is the declaration of Vatican II. Church is a missionary only when everyone in the church, the believers in the church, are missionary. Because the believers constitute the church. If every believer is a missionary, then the church is a missionary. Therefore, every Christian is a missionary by his or her very nature. We are Christians only when we are on missions. Pope Benedict XVI, in his message for the Mission Sunday 2012, last year, he says, mission is not optional. It is not that we can choose or not choose. It is at the kernel of the existence of the church, he says. It is at the essence of the church. The church is church only when it is on mission. He continues and says, mission is a gift given to be shared. Mission is a gift given to us. God has proclaimed to us that God is love, and His compassionate love God has shown towards us, and He has invited us to share this love to the others. So therefore, mission is a gift given by God to us, and this gift we cannot keep to ourselves. We have to share with others. The Pope continues and says, mission is a talent that has to be put to use, and we have to bear rich fruit to God. Mission is a talent that is given to us. And the talent that is given to us, we cannot bury it. We cannot put it under a bushel. Instead, we have to make use of it for the others so that we bear rich fruit for God. Dear brothers and sisters, every one of us is a missionary. When every one of us is a missionary, we cannot go to distant places to proclaim Jesus. How we can be missionaries? Every one of us can be a missionary. We can be missionaries by our word, and also we can be missionaries by our example, by our lives. If we are able to lead a life according to the word of God, then our life becomes open Bible. People can read the Bible in our lives, so that through our lives also we can proclaim Christ. We need to be missionaries by showing compassionate love to the world. Dear brothers and sisters, 800 million people go to bed every day hungry. This is the estimate. 800 million people go to bed every day hungry. 32 times of the population of Australia is going to bed every day hungry. Australia is somewhat closer to 25 million people. And 800 people are going to bed hungry, meaning to say that 32 times of the population of Australia is going to bed hungry every day. Are we to do something for this? Have we any responsibility towards those people who are hungry? They are going to bed hungry not because they don't want to eat. They are going to bed hungry because they have nothing to eat. They have nothing to eat for days together. They have no food. They are thirsty. They have no clothing. They have no medical facility in their illness. They have no shelter. This is the reality of the world today. But church provides an opportunity for us to be missionaries in this context. We have to today extend our helping hand towards these needy brothers and sisters. We should become the apostles, the missionaries for the world where there is need. Because Jesus says, love your neighbor. The commandment to us is to love our neighbor. Our neighbor is the one who is in need according to Jesus. So love your neighbor, meaning to say that love those who are in need. If we want to be true Christians, we have to love our brothers and sisters who are in need. The Catholic mission in Australia is a unit of the propagation of faith of Vatican. The Society for Propagation of Faith is a universal organization for universal solidarity. We have an opportunity created by the church to show our solidarity with those people who are suffering, those people who are in difficulty. Therefore, let us today decide to be missionaries by helping those people who are in need all over the world. Catholic mission is collecting whatever generous contributions that we make for helping those people who are in difficulty. People who are in difficulty are helped by different organizations. We are helping those organizations to help the people who are in difficulty. This year we have a story of Marialaya, an orphanage which is helping the poor children who are in difficulty. You have envelopes on your benches there. Please pick up these envelopes. You have the story of Marialaya and the picture of the sister who is working there, Sister Clara, and the children in the orphanage. These children are helped there who were either trafficked or who were sold by their own parents because of misery at home, and these children were on the street. They are picked up from the street and are helped to be human persons. They have lost hope, but this organization is giving hope to these children. Let us therefore be compassionate. Let us express the compassionate love of the Father through our being to these people who are in difficulty. You have the envelopes on your benches. Please pick up these envelopes. Make whatever contribution you can make for alleviating the suffering of the people all over the world. And also you have space where you can fill in your details, and the Catholic Mission would give you receipt in case you are in need of the receipt for tax exemption. Please pick up the envelopes now and do make whatever contribution you can make. Thank you.